Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to do a little tool haul video. We're going to start out here with these are some step bits. They're the Warrior Titanium high-speed steel step bits. It's a two-piece set, and the big one goes up to 1 3/8, and the smaller one goes to 7/8. Got a couple projects coming up, stuff I'm working on here that I'm going to need to drill 1 1/4 hole, and I didn't want to use the hole saws because they don't give you a real good accurate hole. But I'll give you a little close up there. Let's see, this is the Warrior Titanium. If it's focused, there's the part number. These are under 20 bucks for the pair. I've had other ones that are the smaller set, and they work really well. So, yep, there we are. Yep, it goes from the big one goes from 1/4 to 1 3/8. The 12-step smaller one goes from 3/16 up to 7/8. So there's that. And we got one more thing here. We're gonna bring out and pick this up today too. This is the Earthquake XT 20 volt maximum or 20 volt max lithium 3/8 cordless extreme torque impact. It says it goes to 370 foot-pounds of torque for nut breaking. Has a 4 amp hour battery, the high capacity battery. This is the EQ38 TX-20 volt. I do have one of these at my daily job. I bought about 2 years ago. I know some people hate on Harbor Freight and everything, but for the money, this thing is a beast. I really like it. I mean, I take wheel stud lug nuts off and everything with it. I use this thing constantly every day at work, and I love it. I've had it for about 2 years, no issues with it. Batteries hold up well, so that's why this was on sale. It's normally $169, I believe. I got it for $129 plus a 20% discount coupon that they let me use. So you guys can figure it up what it cost. And let's pull this thing out of the box here, and we'll open it up and show you what it comes with. It does have a nice little case there. There it is. It's got the comes with the charger and one battery. It's got the nice hog ring style anvil or socket retaining on the anvil. Like I said, I haven't had any. Oh, it's got a charge on it. It's got a full charge in the battery. So there you go. Like I said, I've got one of these at my daily job, and I use the thing every day. I use it more than my Milwaukee 1/2 inch impact. As soon as the Earthquake 1/2 inch impact comes down in price, or I find a sale on it, I will be getting myself one of those, because I've used one of those. A friend of mine has one, and the thing is just as good as my Milwaukee one, in my opinion. So there you have it, guys. There's the my little tool haul for the day. I'm going to mount this over with my other tools, cordless tools. Of course, it'll probably stay on my workbench most of the time. I do like my Chicago electric little impact driver. I've got the adapters for it for the 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2. It does a really good job, but this thing here is it's going to be a game changer for around the shop here, and I'll throw it in the truck whenever I go to the tractor pulls and everything. We need to pull tires or anything off. I'll have the sockets and everything. That's going to be the next purchase I get, is the 3/8 impact deep and shallow well sockets from Harbor Freight. I've got a few of those at work, and I've had them probably 5 years, and they've held up to everything I put them through. So I'm going to get myself set for here at the shop, home shop. So I want to thank you all for stopping by and hanging out in the shop with me here while I do a little tool haul video here. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the all, for you get all the notifications for all the videos I put out. And again, want to thank everybody for the support and everything they give me. Without you, this channel would be nothing. I probably would have quit making videos. So from the bottom of my big old bear heart, I want to thank every single one of you guys that watch my videos, comment, like, subscribe, watch my Sunday live streams at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come in and chat with me on there. It does mean a lot to me. I really, really do appreciate it, and just want to thank everybody again. And so before we get too sappy, I'm going to end this video. Thank you all for stopping, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.